be a storyteller, good storyteller.
अच्छा हाँ
तभी you can show through your camera.
cases where drones should be used, and what are those cases where virtual production should be
See,
used?
drones, I mean, like it is only for the establishment of geography.
What role do lighting and shadows play in the cinematography and filmmaking?
See, cinematography comes from the photography. Photography it's all about light.
Yes.
I mean, like, see,
Dark.
I can't show the humor in the dark spots
Yeah.
like in the horror film. It has to be well lit,
Yes.
the humor.
True.
The romantic should be colorful.
Yeah.
Backgrounds are darker, that will enhance your face.
Ah.
If you keep this wall darker, so I look very bright.
Oh. So you are mattering to me
Yes,
most.
exactly.
Because
Exactly. The subject matters.
what even the corporate looks for. Like if you are giving you this much budget, you have to give this much of ROI.
Yeah, right.
Then only you are the valuable person.
Correct.
So that's what everybody.
I'll try. See, I can even ask for 10 lights. I mean, like, कोई पूछेगा नहीं. I mean, like, I'm the DOP. Nobody will ask me why 10 lights. But I will try to understand first what kind of things are required, how much lights are required. Accordingly, I exactly plan, and how many days are. Some people take it for a package. Like if the shoot is like 30 days, they'll bring all the lights. No, I don't say. I'll send it back. Whenever I need it, I'll take it that time.
Yeah.
So it is the utilization. So, and I'll make the things look very effectively. So obviously, as you said, I make the magic things.
Yeah.
This film is completely unusual for me. I'm like not like other movies, like whatever I plan and go execute. Things used to happen automatically by itself. I mean, like better than my expectations.
Okay.
उतना time नहीं मिल रहा था.
What kind of a movie it is?
It's a divine film.
Oh.
It's based on the real journey of a spiritual leader.
Okay. Lights, camera, vision. Welcome to the another inspiring episode of the Meenakshi Talk Loud Show, where we bring you conversation with people who shape stories behind the scenes. Today we have a guest who is award-winning cinematographer, filmmaker, a visual storyteller, Mr. Kartik Malur, with an impressive journey spanning feature films, documentary, advertisements, music videos, and short films. Kartik has created stunning visuals across multiple languages and genres. His work reflects not just technical excellence, but a deep understanding of emotions, light, compositions, and storytelling. Please join me in welcoming Mr. Kartik Malur to the Meenakshi Talk Lounge Show. Hello Kartik ji, how are you?
I'm doing great.
So how was your journey today? I think it was raining a lot, so
as expected in Mumbai, rains were very heavy. I mean, like too much of traffic.
Yeah.
I kind of got used to it.
Yes, I do understand. Okay, let's move on to your journey part of the life. Okay. So Kartik ji, you have like what was that first inspiration for you to pursue cinematography, because you are the cinematographer and you are the filmmaker. So what was that instinct that made you to come to this field?
Actually, it was completely unexpected.
Is it?
Yeah, it was not planned.
Okay.
And I didn't go to any institute to learn cinematography.
Oh.
But I learned photography in my childhood.
Okay.
My dad is my trainer, so he was a photographer as well, and he was having an advertising agency.
Oh.
So that is where I learned. I mean, like at the age of 8, I learned photography.
Okay, you have started at the age of 8.
With the reel cameras, and even I've gone through all the process of washing the reels and get the prints. So I started my journey there.
Okay.
And it was totally unexpected. And after my college, I joined advertising agency, as I was very good in graphic design as well.
Okay.
So that is, I mean, like somewhere in between, I felt that probably this I can take it as my profession, the photography. And I started my photography, and opportunities kicked in.
Yeah. So it was from your family, from your father's side,
yes, right.
It was carried on, like
yes, right.
you had this.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, nice. Was there any defining moment that when you thought that you knew that filmmaking was your life's calling?
Yeah.
Any moment that you remember?
Yeah, I have a moment. I actually started my career as an actor.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. See, probably during the time of Orkut, I used to take my self-portrait and post it. It was unusual. I mean, like to see. I mean, like that those days. I mean, like not many had mobile cameras or digital cameras. So it's hard to see anyone having good portfolios.
Yeah.
So-
And I could see from your photos also, your face is very photogenic.
Yeah.
So that is what we can.
So because of this post, I mean, a lot of coordinators, model coordinators approached me for modeling and all.
Okay.
So even I took one modeling assignment as well for a print ad.
Oh.
So
Okay.
that was the first and that was the last in the modeling world.
Okay. So
So-
the pics that you shared with us was from those portfolios?
No.
It was recent.
I mean, like it's not the old
Yeah,
one.
but it is very nice. It looks very cinematically made. So that is what is adding a value.
Okay. And later on, I mean, like the coordinator started asking me, like, oh, why don't you take up the modeling? I said, I'm not interested in modeling.
Modeling.
So then they again approached me for film. I said,
Okay.
how is it possible? Even I don't have any family background.
Ah.
I mean, like none of my family from people into film industry. So I don't know anything about it. So how
Yeah.
do I get in? I said, nowadays it's common. I mean, like a lot of newcomers are getting in. So why don't you give it a try? If there is an opportunity, just make use of it. Otherwise, it's fine.
Yeah.
So I said, okay, let me give it a try.
Try.
So nothing wrong in it. So he connected me to a film producer.
Okay.
So there I got selected as a second lead.
Wow.
Huh.
Which movie was that?
It's actually did not release.
Oh.
So movie did not release, but
Okay.
the shot 95% they shot the film.
Okay.
So
it's
it's
upcoming?
It's a no. It's actually shot in 2009. Those time.
Okay,
It's a
long
remake.
back.
It's a Kannada remake of Ek Chalis Ka Last Hotel movie.
Oh, is it?
Ah.
Nice. That is a very good movie.
Yeah. So it did not come out, and
Oh.
later one of my friend was there. I mean, like, he was associate in the film.
Okay.
So there actually he's the reason for me to become a cinematographer.
Okay.
We did a short film together,
Uh-huh.
and I didn't like the output of it. The DOP work was very bad because me being a photographer, I know how the frame should
Yeah.
be, how the lighting should be. So I
Definitely.
was not at all convinced. Even
Ah.
I produced that short film, so I was not at all convinced.
Oh.
Even I sat for the editing part, where he was taking his own time, and it was not great output. So these things made me learn things.
So it's a necessity is the mother of invention.
Probably,
So
yes. That's what it inspired me a lot.
So who has been our biggest inspiration for you to be in the cinema? Any
To
such?
take a personality as a cinematographer is P.C. Sriram. I have grown up watching his movies, Gitanjali maybe, Nayakan maybe. I mean, like, it was a fantastic film. So I mean, like, I hardly get to see films. I mean, like, not much in my childhood. So some of the movies, I mean, like, I used to see and I used to compare
Okay.
why this is impactful, why this is not impactful.
Yeah.
And see, looking at the lighting, probably I don't know whether you're aware of Gitanjali film. The lighting was amazing.
Okay.
Brilliant.
I'll watch it because
Yeah.
usually
Brilliant
I
lighting.
watch only Bollywoods.
Okay.
Not even Hollywoods. I watch Bollywoods and some Tollywoods also I
Ah.
watch because my husband is fond of Tollywood, so he wants to watch all the South Indian movies. So he's that fond of it. So I'll also see this.
Even
so
I
it's
like
a Kannada movie.
No, it's a Telugu movie. Gitanjali.
Telugu. Okay.
Nagarjuna played.
Moving on. What, according to you, separates a good cinematographer from the great ones?
This is a very important question that every cinematographer should know because everyone can bring the script to visuals
Yes.
and they make it even impactful. That's a good cinematographer.
Ah.
Anybody will do that one. But a great cinematographer who invents something new, who break the rules, who make something new. It can be a new kind of movement or new kind of framing.
Yes.
There are a lot of challenges also. I mean, like there are some movies, for example, Birdman. He took every movie in one shot. That's a great achievement.
Oh,
Birdman.
okay. It was in one shot.
One shot, complete one shot. One
Okay.
take movie.
And how long movie it was?
I think I'm not sure. Probably 1 hour 20 minutes or 1 hour 30 minutes.
Okay, so they did not take
No.
any break.
And he practiced for almost months to handle that one because every character has to come into the frame and go.
Yes.
That synchronization, it took so many months.
But
and-
capturing in
Huh.
one take is
lot
very...
of trials, yeah, exactly. Lot of trials also happened.
Yeah.
And even the Revenant movie, he shot the complete movie with natural light, no lightings.
Okay. So day lighting natural.
Complete. Wherever the sources.
Okay.
So they I call them as a great cinematographers.
Wow, that's so nice. You have so nicely framed it. That's great. How do you convert a script into visual language?
I become the audience first.
Okay.
I visualize myself. If a character is coming, how it should come, what background it should be, what is the depth, and who should be the person along with him. So I visualize the story in my mind. And I discuss with the storyboard artist, this is how it should come.
Okay.
And also discuss with the director whenever we sit for the short divisions.
Okay.
So
yeah, no, that's nice. That's nice. I think there are some cinematographer or some DOPs who says that we do everything on the fly. So what do you have to say to those kind of cinematographers and DOPs? What is the flaw in that, and what is a good thing out of it? Because what happens most of the time, like if a actor is acting, okay, sometimes what happens when they are being asked to stop for certain reason, like this is not proper, they lose their motivation.
Correct.
And then the same vibe will not come in the another shot.
Correct.
So sometimes it happens that there is a break in the flow. So they said, like some cinematographer, they say that we just keep them going as and when they are in that comfortable mode, and we don't stop them. But then the output that they have visualized earlier, that doesn't come. So what do you have to say about that?
See,
would you be in favor of that, or would you be in favor of scripting?
See, honestly speaking, none of the film will work as per the plan.
Okay.
There will be changes. Changes definitely can happen, but you should make sure that the changes should be minimal.
Okay.
When there is an emotional scene, yes, of course, we will not distract an actor. We will not disturb. We will take it. Whatever the first take, we will take it. Then we will try to experiment what better can be done.
Okay.
The second take.
The first flow shouldn't be broken.
नहीं.
ताकि एक backup रहे.
Definitely. वो तो जरूरी है. एक बार आए तो फिर से नहीं आएगा.
नहीं आया तो
so
या तो it can be a very very beautiful art altogether. या तो एकदम best आ जाए, या तो नहीं आएगा. So
every cinematographer will be having ABC plans.
Yes.
वो तो जरूरी है.
Right.
अगर ये नहीं होगा तो दूसरा कुछ होगा, उसका ऑप्शन रखेंगे हम.
Right. True. Very true. So that's what I always had this curiosity. Like because there are some, you won't get as per your need all the time. There will be some.
There are emotional portions, action portions. Where action portions there is nothing like we can make it very cinematically liberty we can take. We can make the movements however you want. But when it comes to the emotional portion, that we cannot move the camera much. It has to be like very stable, a slight movement. So उतने में हो
जाता है ना. Right. Okay, understanding on the lighting aspects. So, what role do lighting and shadows play in the cinematography and filmmaking?
See, cinematography comes from the photography. Photography it's all about light.
Yes.
Without light, we can't do anything. So,
True.
Light is the basic thing. So, that only elevates the mood. So, that only the differentiates like horror genre. See, I can't show the humor in the dark spots. Like in the horror film. It has to be well lit.
Yes.
The humor.
True.
The romantic should be colorful.
Yeah.
So lighting plays a major role to impact the film.
Yeah. Otherwise, colorful में people को डर भी नहीं लगेगा.
Exactly.
Horror film में इतना colorful horror film है. Yeah, true. That's true. Is expensive equipment more important than creative vision?
No, creative vision is more important than equipments.
Okay.
Equipments are designed as per the requirement. So ऐसा नहीं है like कोई ड्रोन बनाया मैं सब जगह में ड्रोन यूज कर नहीं होगा ना.
No, I remember.
मीनिंगफुल होना है.
Last हमारे song में we used drone in a romantic song and it was looking so stupid. We removed all those scenes.
Yeah, it doesn't make any sense for that.
I know, I understand. That is true. And these days we are using a lot of tools as well, right?
Yeah.
We use VFX, AI.
Correct.
So how important is that, and would that make, like, we know all the videos if it is made through AI or if it is made through the exact.
We are in a generation where we can differentiate things.
Yes, we can differentiate that thing. Which one you find it more authentic and as per you?
Authentic, obviously, like live shoot is the authentic.
Live shoot.
Not
But
AI.
these days people are more into these technologies.
Correct,
and all.
correct.
So that
It
way,
makes things easier.
yes.
I don't say it's wrong, but it's in the phase. We are in a shifting phase. AI is the future.
Yeah.
Yes.
And if you see the lot of movies like Ramayana, now they have
Ramayana is not AI, it's a VFX.
Okay, that is VFX. Okay, so even VFX, if you see effects, there have been a Ramayana movie with Saif Ali Khan also. But you see the difference of Ranveer Kapoor and Saif Ali Khan. So those quality also matters, right? So that way, like, which one would you prefer to direct, like, to have cinema?
See, honestly, I prefer realistic. Realistic.
Yes.
If we can't achieve things, then we'll go for VFX.
Okay.
If VFX is also not achievable, like through the factors like budget and all, then we can go for AI. AI is the last option.
Okay.
Now, so, at present, AI is not so technically superior. Now, what you get is the 4K, like HD quality only, the AI videos. Okay. That they upscale it to 4K. अभी तक 4K का कोई AI नहीं हो.
अच्छा. Okay.
That's still a drawback.
So, which is more expensive as per you? Like,
VFX is more expensive.
VFX is more.
Depends. Also depends. अगर बहुत बड़ा सेट बनाने में like वो भी like पैसा लग जाएगा.
पैसा लगता है, हाँ.
So they have to minimize things like कितना रियलिस्टिक कर सकते हैं, उसके ऊपर VFX कितना डाल सकता है, ये कैलकुलेशन होता है.
हाँ.
So बजट बचाने में, so ये सब करना पड़ता है.
हाँ, मतलब मैं अपने अलग इंटेंशन से पूछ रही हूँ through this podcast. So which one is more cost effective as a production house? Yeah, is the cheapest. Okay, which project was more challenging for you, like, and why?
Challenge तो हर project में है, वो तो होता ही है.
But any specific project where you had to give lot of time, energy?
Yeah, I shot a Tulu movie.
Okay.
It's called Dand. So where we had a 36 days of continuous schedule.
Okay.
And day night भी हो रहा था. Like I was so stressed. I used to sleep in between wherever there is chance available.
Oh, is it?
हाँ, it was so tiring. And director.
Day night. So how? What are the working hours during that time?
See, normally working hours like 12 to 2 to 10 ऐसा shift होता है.
Okay.
Oh, I mean, like because of some time limitations, they have extended the schedules.
Oh, okay.
Because he had taken a sabbatical. He was working in Dubai. So he had taken a sabbatical and come here for the shoot, only for the shoot. So he has a time limitation. He had to, the director has to finish within the time, and he had to go back.
Yeah, so, मेरे जैसे कोई corporate होगा.
Exactly.
So इतने time में shoot करके वापस जाना.
36 day limit इतना में करना ही था film.
Okay.
So we had to go continuously for that.
That's very hectic.
Very hectic, and he got me
36 days continuously, 14 hours.
Full crate of energy drinks for me. So you keep drinking whatever you want, keep eating whatever you want. We have to finish.
But
so
then
that was a very challenge.
We have heard lot of cases, especially into film industry, where the people are getting lot of attacks and all, heart attacks and all. So do you think this could be one of the reason because their circadian rhythm is not being followed?
See, I mean, like we don't work by pressure, we work by pleasure. So
ideally it should not
exactly.
come.
Exactly.
By default, it should not be there. In fact, even I can do podcast for hours and hours, and I don't feel that pressure. So it is all about our passion.
Exactly,
if you like it, we have to do it.
Correct.
And usually, like, but that body has some rhythm, right?
Correct.
Though we are in the passionate mode, but it has like by thoda.
I learned new techniques. I mean, like taking a short power naps. So and I used to do the free hand exercises.
Okay.
To ease myself.
That helps.
That helps.
Can you show us what kind
stretches.
of like? Okay, stretches.
Body stretches.
So that will help in the getting
yes.
Revived.
Yes, of
quickly.
course.
Nice. That's nice.
Because sitting for a long time, you obviously will
Yeah.
get a backache. So many things
True.
that actually stresses you more.
Yes.
So
yes.
when we flex a little bit, then it will be we can go for another 2-3 hours continuously.
Yeah. That's good. A very hectic job, but can you share any memorable behind the scenes experience from that audience would never have ever have heard about it?
बहुत है but
मतलब कोई एक
हाँ है
memorable,
एक बताना चाहता हूँ मैं like
Yes.
in my previous film like recently
because we like to hear more of the stories rather
yeah.
than just technical details.
yeah I mean like the recent film my movie has come Baba Neem Karoli biopic.
I was finding it very difficult to pronounce that. Baba Neel बोला मैंने कुछ तो.
नहीं
What is that?
नीब करौरी.
Neeb. Okay, what is the meaning of that?
मीनिंग तो हमें लाइक मुझे भी एग्जैक्टली मालूम नहीं है हमें लाइक नीब करौरी का तो अभी तो गांव का नाम है तो
Okay.
इसको हमें लाइक रखा हुआ है बाद
Okay.
में नीब करौरी गांव रखा हुआ है
Neem. Okay,
हाँ.
that's a name of the
so I don't know
rural
like,
area. Huh.
place maybe
Where is it?
यूपी
यूपी में.
हाँ.
अच्छा, हमारे गांव में.
हाँ फरुखाबाद
अच्छा. So I'm from कानपुर.
कानपुर okay.
हाँ. तो देखना पड़ेगा. Even I don't know this place. Okay.
फरुखाबाद तो मालूम है ना आपको
हाँ, फारूकाबाद.
and yeah this I wanted to share the experience I'm like this film is completely unusual for me I'm like not like other movies like whatever I plan and go execute things used to happen automatically by itself I'm like better than my expectations
Okay.
उतना time नहीं मिल रहा था
What
मुझे.
kind of a movie it is?
It's a divine film.
Oh,
It's on based on the real
Ritual.
journey of a spiritual leader.
spiritual leader. Okay.
So kind of I mean like see where Baba used to sit. I got an opportunity to sit on this place and shoot. So
Wow.
really it's a great experience. I mean like experience वो तो feel करना ही पड़ेगा. I mean like I can't explain in words.
Yes.
उतना तो है.
So
वो अलग ही level का है.
So whenever you do any kind of a movie, so do you directly go or you do some Reiki for that place to have that feel inside the emotions of that movie inside you?
Right.
So do you do this
Yes,
kind of?
I do the Reiki. So then only I can visualize the film better.
Yes.
So where I can keep the artist, where I can let them come to the frame. So ये plan करने में आसान हो जाएगा.
Oh, nice. And for any character, like those emotional values,
Alright.
how do you make them feel that emotions whenever you are dealing with such kind of emotions in that place, in that aura with those characters? So how do you make them feel कि वो emotions उनमें embed हो जाए? So you do something for that.
Actors do themselves. I mean, like we don't have to do anything. We just have to capture it without disturbing them.
Yes.
That's a very important thing.
Okay.
So sometimes the more silent we are, the more express.
Have you ever had any to create any magic despite from the limited, like you have the limited budget? So what was that?
See, honestly, and somebody gives me 10 rupees,
Yes.
I would like to make it look like 100 rupees. That challenge I take in every project,
Wow.
irrespective of big or small. I mean, like I don't waste the money.
That's great.
That the utilization skills.
Yeah.
So
That's what even the corporate looks for. Like
हाँ.
if you are giving you this much budget, you have to give this much of ROI.
Yeah, right.
Then only you are the valuable person. So
Correct.
that's what everybody.
I'll try. See, I can even ask for 10 lights. जरूरी
हाँ.
नहीं. I mean, like कोई पूछेगा नहीं. I mean, like
सही
I'm the DOP. Nobody will ask me why 10 lights. But I will try to understand first what kind of things are required, how much lights are required. Accordingly, I exactly plan and how many days are. Some people take it for a package. Like if the shoot is like 30 days, they'll bring all the lights. No, I don't
That
say.
is not
I'll send it back. Whenever in it, I'll take it that time.
Yeah.
So it is the utilization. So and I'll make the things look very effectively. So obviously, as you said,
Yes,
I make the
ROI.
magic things.
Yeah, definitely. And I think corporate would look for the longer future for those people only.
Right.
If you want to do a short-term work and get it once you want to get viral and
Right.
then okay, that's fine, that is your vision.
Yeah.
But if you want to go way longer, then you have to be like cost effective, sustainable.
Of course.
That's a very,
Very
key
important.
criteria
Yeah.
to sustain for the longer duration. So that is a very good thought that you have said. We just talk about AI part. So AI is entering every film industry nowadays. If you see all the reels and everything, it's full of AI. So people are more fascinated with that, and they are losing the essence of the real creation.
Yeah. Right.
So would you like to give some message around it?
See, this
Would
is
you see as a threat or opportunity?
Nothing. Now it's an exploring phase. Everybody is trying to explore
Yes.
and understand how to make better things in AI.
Yeah.
So this is a phase. वो तो phase जाएगा. बाद में only professional will do the AI films. Not everybody.
नहीं.
So ऐसा है. I mean, like when the digital thing came from the negatives, lot of people came with cameras, try to experiment things. Because वो delete भी कर सकते हैं, फिर से shoot कर सकते हैं, खर्चा नहीं है. So ऐसा, I mean, like सब जगह में ऐसा हो. Then only the professionals started making good films through the digital medium.
True.
Now AI will also happen in some time. Now it's not a threat, it's like a phase.
How have drones, virtual production and modern cameras changed cinematography?
They give the different perception to the audience.
Okay. So what are those cases where drones should be used? And what are those cases where virtual production should be used?
See, drones, I mean, like it is only for the establishment of geography.
Oh, okay.
जगह दिखाने के लिए ऊपर से eagle eye view. So ये दिखाने के लिए सिर्फ. It is not to register any characters.
नहीं ना. वो कितना owl जैसा face दिखता है जब
Exactly.
आप character register करते हैं.
This is made for that purpose. Earlier, people used to shoot from the helicopters for the geography दिखाने के लिए.
Okay.
Now drones have become very simpler way.
Have you ever disagreed with the director on any point and then how it was resolved?
It's more like with the previous question. I mean, like agreement and disagreement keep happening between us because he always comes with his own perspective. The way he imagined the film. So from the director perspective. So certain things technically I cannot go with that one. So my perspectives are different from him. So I always think in a technical way, achievable or not, practical, very practical. He is like completely dreamy. So वो नहीं होगा, बहुत कुछ नहीं होगा, बहुत कुछ कर सकते हैं भी.
सही बात है.
So ये discussion पे हम लड़ाई करते रहते हैं. So disagreement definitely. I mean, like he has to agree when things are not possible.
It has to be realistic also. Dreaming वो चांद तारे लोड लाऊंगा, वो गाने में ही अच्छे लगते हैं. वो execute करने में बहुत problem हो जाती है. I understand. About visual storytelling, if you had only one camera, one lens, natural light, could you still tell a powerful story?
If I get a story like that suitable to that one, of course I can tell because I already told you that there is a Revenant movie completely shot in natural light. Yes.
You already said this.
इसको I mean like ऐसा story होना जरूरी है. If the story yes.
Punch.
Exactly.
वो उसका power.
First of all I study that one. Whenever I get a script, I'll study that one. What better things I can make in this one. So ऐसा कर सकता है क्या? सोच लूँगा मैं भी. I mean, like different things. What unique things that I can make in this film? Can I shoot completely in single lens, or can I shoot completely in natural light? ऐसा I mean, like अलग तो I mean, like वो ऐसा स्क्रिप्ट मिलना बहुत मुश्किल है. लिखना पड़ता है. ये सोच के ही लिखना पड़ता है.
Right. अच्छा ये मैंने देखा है हॉलीवुड मूवीज में बहुत ग्रे बैकग्राउंड बहुत यूज होता है ना? कंपेयर टू इंडियन मूवीज, दे आर मोर कलरफुल कंपेयर टू द हॉलीवुड.
Right.
So, which one you find it more attractive and more subtle? Is it Hollywood?
See,
because they are mostly all grey. उनका जो base रहता है, that is very greyish.
Yes, right. See, I'll tell you the reason.
And what is it? What is the significance of it?
Significance, I'll tell you. I'll explain you. What do you want to show in color? What do you want to highlight? A background or the subject? That matters.
Okay.
If that is grey, if that is not getting highlighted, the subject will get highlighted. That is their perspective.
Right.
And also, when the backgrounds are darker, that will enhance your face. If you keep this wall darker, so I look very bright.
So you are mattering to me
Yes,
most.
exactly.
Because
Exactly. The subject matters the most. Because my
If I keep
attention,
a darker-
my focus should be there on the subject, not the backgrounds.
So lighter will the focus will be on the. Oh.
It will distract.
Which scene from your career are you personally most proud of?
See, there is nothing like scene. I see the complete movie as a scene. So, Arek, see,
It's your baby.
Yeah, for every shot, I think a shot में ये अच्छा नहीं है, ये ठीक नहीं है, ये I see even and every pin to pin detail from each and every shot.
Yeah.
So throughout the movie is my baby, and all my movies are my babies.
Yeah.
So I cannot.
Yeah, I can understand that part. Yeah, because even for me, all the songs are my baby, and I
Of
feel
course.
that all are best.
Yeah.
We had a lot of fun, and we discussed a lot of things. I think we have last normal questions. That how do you decide whether a scene should be visually grand or emotionally intimate? So how do you make that decision?
See, it depends. See, if I want to show someone very rich, then I have to show it is very grandeur.
Mm-hmm.
And if I planning to shoot emotional scene, I don't need to show in wide angle. I'll give a close up to the person to show the emotion in detail.
Yes.
So both फर्क है.
बहुत फर्क है. Any message that you want to give to our new cinematographers and photographers or filmmakers that would help them in their career?
First, I would like to say them be a storyteller, good storyteller.
अच्छा. हाँ.
तभी you can show through your camera.
हाँ, वो connect भी users के साथ best.
Because everybody, I see a lot of new generation people, student newcomers and all, they go more into technical.
हाँ.
ये कैमरा यूज करना है, ये इक्विपमेंट यूज करना है,
वो सब iPhone
पहला
वाले.
तो क्या दिखाना चाहते हैं वो सोचो.
हाँ. वो सब उनको
How to convey that one? You think about it.
Yes.
You visualize it.
Yes. Definitely.
And then you think of the equipment. ये equipment करना है, नहीं करना, कौन सा कैमरा यूज करना है. I mean, like if you go with expensive camera, that doesn't mean that picture will come out great. Even in the basic camera also you can make it great. There are people who made the films in mobile iPhones.
Is it?
Yeah, there are movies in Hollywood movies.
Storage full नहीं हुआ.
अरे वो तो टेक्निकल चीज है.
एक रील बनाने में 30 सेकंड्स में
वो तो अलग ही मतलब कर सकते हैं. सेपरेट सॉफ्टवेयर भी लगा सकते हैं, हार्डवेयर एक्सटर्नल कर सकते हैं.
अच्छा, इज देयर एनी वे कैसे मतलब अच्छा वो क्लाउड से
नहीं ऐसा नहीं.
परचेस करके इतना मेरा पैसा जाता है हर महीने.
I mean, like, see, if you want to do that one, Apple will support you to integrate some new technology to it.
Okay.
They'll expand your memory.
Tools, okay, that can help. Okay, we'll explore more on it. Right. That's right. Really nice. What are those common mistakes that beginners do, and how can they avoid?
Not only beginners, everybody will do mistakes. That is for sure. वो तो हो जाएगा.
हाँ जी.
So, I mean, like, you need to figure out where you have done the mistake. Not to do it again.
Yeah.
So it's a very simple thing. So mistakes are
learn from them.
Even experts also do mistakes.
Yes. So it's not only about the experience. It's like whatever has happened, but keep learning from it and keep growing.
Exactly.
For the betterment of the next project.
Exactly.
Yeah, I think that way I would like to give credit to my team because earlier podcast I used to give them a lot of corrections, and recently they have come up with the podcast where I don't have to say anything. So they are learning and doing it well. So that thanks to you guys. And that thanks. Any new projects that you would like to talk about, like they are upcoming and we should be keeping our eye to watch on?
Yeah, there is something very interesting things coming up. It's an international film that I'm going to make.
Wow.
I cannot reveal the name as of now.
Oh.
तो
Okay, we'll keep waiting for that.
Please do wait.
Yeah, please do stay tuned with him. Please do follow him because he's going to be on the international board. And I think you have already earlier also you have done, right? Some international.
International release हुआ था. मैंने international release हुआ था.
Yeah.
And even my film, I mean, like, it's my second film, I think, Dand movie. That also got released in multiple countries.
Oh, nice. So we'll stay tuned for your new movies and all the best. Wishes for all your upcoming projects and also for the past projects that it will go viral. So that's how we grow together, right?
Sure.
Yes, definitely. We have done a lot of बातें सब हो गई है, हम थोड़े गेमिंग सेक्शन में चलते हैं, तो we'll
ये
have some
पता नहीं, ये सरप्राइज है मेरे लिए।
हाँ, थोड़ा सरप्राइज भी होना चाहिए, शॉक भी हो सकता है, हमारे क्वेश्चंस ऐसे रहते हैं कभी कभी।
Let's take it.
ठीक है, so
Allow
we are
challenges.
moving on to the rapid fire.
Okay.
One camera you never live without.
Can say honestly.
Rapid fire.
Mobile.
अच्छा,
Mobile camera.
ये तो all time चाहिए। What are your favorite lenses? Any brand or
Nothing like no such
Preference.
favorites, because I like to experiment with different lenses from the different subjects.
Okay.
So तो change होता रहता है. I'm
हाँ.
like I have to keep upgrading myself whatever the new things come. So
Okay.
nothing like I don't stick to one particular thing and leave.
Which shoot you like the most, sunrise or sunsets?
अरे दोनों एक है, golden hour so. So if you have to differentiate, then you have to say day or like evening
Day
hours.
हाँ, evening hours.
So then I will go with evening
मैं
hours.
थोड़ा सीख रही हूँ अभी,
हाँ.
अभी थोड़ा सा कच्ची हूँ।
ये sunrise sunset दोनों golden hours है. So
Golden hours.
it doesn't make any difference.
Okay.
Hardly a difference.
हाँ, so you can shoot something like portraying it as a
See, sunrise is little longer.
Okay.
Sunset is little shorter.
अच्छा.
वो जल्दी खत्म हो
खत्म हो जाते हैं। जो भी हो, सनसेट हो या सनराइज हो, नहीं सनराइज तो नहीं, सनसेट जो है,
sunrise you will maybe get it for 1 hour or something.
yes,
So sunset is like half an hour.
हाँ, सी साइड पे तो सनसेट देखने को बहुत मजा आता है, बहुत अच्छा।
बट शूट करने में बहुत चैलेंज है ना, मैं लाइक
हाँ,
एक बार शूट किया उसका कंटिन्यूटी नहीं मिलता।
कंटिन्यूटी फटाफट।
हाँ, मैं ऐसा किया था ना, मैं लाइक 3 दिन शूट किया था एक सीन।
ओके, व्हाट इज योर local, like your preference, indoor या outdoor shoot?
If see a day and night, that also matters. You didn't mention it because if outdoor night allow it, indoor day allow it.
अच्छा, हाँ, धूप नहीं लगती तो अच्छा भी मेंटेन
नहीं, चैलेंज है धूप, ये इसके लिए नहीं।
अच्छा, तो
आउटडोर लाइटिंग करना बहुत चैलेंज है।
अच्छा,
हाँ, इतना आसान नहीं आउटडोर
तो
लाइटिंग।
नाइट में आउटडोर लाइटिंग इज
हाँ,
ओके,
इट्स अ वेरी चैलेंजिंग।
हाँ, इट्स चैलेंजिंग।
Yes, of course.
ओके ओके,
दैट एक्साइट्स मी।
हाँ, राइट राइट। फिल्म और डिजिटल?
डिजिटल।
ओके, दैट इज
फिल्म से आया,
हाँ,
तो देख के आया और आई नो व्हाट आई कैन डू बेटर इन डिजिटल।
वन filmmaker that you dream of working with? No offense to others.
There are so many in fact, but
one the
person,
most.
हाँ, संदीप बंगारेड्डी।
अच्छा, okay, nice. One actor whose expressions are the wow for cinematographers. Any preference?
Hope other actors will not take it.
Please, no offense to others.
No offense to others.
It's his personal favorite choice.
So I would, I mean like both लोग है actually. I mean like I work with Subodh Bobby. Subodh Bobby is an amazing actor. So in my previous film, when I kept my camera na, I mean like he was completely involved in this character. I mean like he was looking like Baba.
Oh.
So that actually I got it.
Chuvneem, you talked
Parimam,
about. Okay.
So I got goosebumps looking at him in that character. So it is a brilliant thing. But to be honest, my favorite is Adil Hussain. I worked with him for 2 films. So, so he's an amazing. I mean, like you keep the camera wherever you are, you act.
Wow.
It doesn't matter. You keep the camera behind us, still you act.
Yes.
That's his.
That's
dynamic.
the main.
Exactly.
एक बोलते हैं ना, फ्लेवर ऑफ the actual actors होते हैं, वो ऐसे जहाँ भी हो वो अपना ये धुरंधर दिखाई देते हैं।
He doesn't even ask whether you kept a close up, he wider. He doesn't ask anything. He will understand. He technically is so good, and he'll act accordingly.
Okay, it's a experience that also matter. Yeah, true. One location in world that you would love to shoot?
ये भी है, I mean like see.
सारे challenging questions दे दिए।
Questions actually very challenging. I mean like see.
Sorry,
according to the subject, let's keep it. It doesn't make any sense because according to the script only I have to go with the location.
Yeah, you don't have that choice. जो बोलेंगे producer director वैसे।
ये आपका ये नहीं ना, गाना नहीं है, कहीं पे भी शूट करो।
हाँ, वही नहीं, वो हमारे लिए पूछना चाहिए, आप हमको पूछिए।
Correct, exactly. For your question.
नहीं, मुझे तो सब पूरा वर्ल्ड ट्रैवल करना है। I would love to shoot in every location. चलिए, अभी हम नेक्स्ट सेक्शन में बढ़ते हैं। तो our next section is for some psychology test. Yes, just pick one of the card and whatever comes into your mind after looking at this, so you can just say that. That's it.
Okay.
Whatever comes at the first go. And just show it to the camera. ये क्या आपको क्या फील आ रहा है पहला देख के?
She looks excited.
Yes.
Achieved.
Podcast completed.
Yeah, exactly. I'm looking you in this.
Yes. हाँ मेरा वैसे ही चलो पहला पॉडकास्ट हो गया. अभी यहाँ पे है ना वर्ड्स रहेंगे कुछ. You just have to pick 3 cards and फिर वैसे ही आपको है ना फर्स्ट
3 cards pick करना है.
हाँ इसमें से 3 cards.
Okay.
ये हमारा ये
सीजन का अलग अलग है. हाँ मतलब
हाँ you can pick 3 together and then I'll read out for you.
Okay.
हाँ.
Let's see.
When you see your designated driver taking a 12th shot.
Taking a
12th shot. Sorry,
designated.
Vulgar.
I'll kick him out. He doesn't. Then why he has to be a driver? I can drive myself.
So you will drive it, right?
Yeah.
But what you will do to him?
Gone.
Gone. Next day तो वापस आएगा ना. It's only for that day. So don't worry. अगर वो देखेंगे तो. Nice. When all the pending transactions from your weekend hit your account balance at once, what's your expression?
It depends where I spend is worthy or not.
Okay.
So if I worthy, I said yes.
Maldives या फिर Bali.
See, I love riding. I love going long rides, long drives and all.
When you are a kid in Stuart Little's, you know that, right? Orphanage. You know that our cartoon, right? And a
Which
mouse.
cartoon?
Stuart Little.
Yeah, I know.
छोटा सा.
I know.
हाँ. And a mouse
Squirrel,
gets
squirrel.
adopted before you. So what would be your reaction?
I would feel that I was an option.
Option. Yes, definitely. और कोई option नहीं है इसके अलावा. Very nice. It was really fun with you, and we are meeting for the first time, and it didn't feel like we are meeting for the first time. It was like
thanks for giving that comfort.
बुरे पिछले दोस्त मिल गए वैसा feeling था. So thanks to you for coming here and enlightening this place.
It's already lit.
Thank you. अब हमारा एक last ritual जो हमारे जितने celebrities आते हैं, we take the autograph
मैं थोड़ी
for our
celebrity हूँ
future
यार.
reference. हाँ?
मैं थोड़ी celebrity हूँ.
आप ऐसे मत बोलो. ये हमारे यहाँ पे celebrities ही आते हैं. So whatever we are doing in our field, we are the celebrity of it, and we are the star of our work,
Yeah.
and we should always feel proud about it.